everyone, it's me Tin from blissandfaith.com, and I'm back with another video. So I posted, and well, I said in a previous video that I would come back and do my kind of flip through overview of the Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly Planner. So this is the one that I got. This is a really cute cover. It's like the black and pink XO, and I just have Bliss and Faith in the little O right there. I really think it's super cute, and the back is pretty much the same. So it's really funny whenever I get a cover because I actually make these in my shop, and so it's just super funny to actually get a cover from Erin Condren. But anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump in. So basically I'll be using this planner for my budgeting purposes, and so I'm going to kind of show you all how I'll be using this planner. I'm pretty sure y'all seen plenty of these videos before, so I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time going through the planner. I'm just going to kind of run through it really quick and then give my thoughts on it, and then kind of show you again how I'll actually be using it. So on the back of the front cover, you have basically this area that's kind of like a lined notes page. The front cover is laminated, so you are able to either write with a dry erase marker or a wet erase marker. On the right hand side, you have, basically her logo, and Deluxe Monthly Planner. You can put here the such and such family, your name, whatever. I've seen a lot of people put like a really cute little vinyl there. So yeah, I forget what this print is, but this is kind of her theme, I think, for the 2018-2019. And then she has this little quote over here that says, "You have everything inside. You have everything inside you to be and do anything you want." So super encouraging. And then she has her 2018-2019, these little laminated tabs. From what I understand, these are new to this year, so that just makes the planner a little bit more durable. And then basically you have an 18-month layout on 2 pages. So you have July 2018 through March 2019, and then April 2019 through December 2019. And this planner did start in January. This is the colorful one. They were sold out of the neutral one, so which is no big deal to me. So basically what I did is I got this planner about a week ago on her website. She was running a St. Patrick's Day sale, and then she already had 40% off. I think she's still running her 40% off sale. So if you are looking to try out Erin Condren, this is a good time to try her out. We're only 3 months into the year, so it's still really early, and you can always back plan as well. So like for me, it wasn't too big of a deal because I still plan on either back planning, or it's just good to like I said, only missing 2 months it's not that big of a deal for me for the savings that I got in this planner. Like I said, it was 40% off, and then she had an additional 20 or 25% off for St. Patrick's Day. So if you're going to try this planner out, feel free to use my referral link. It is in the description bar. You do get a $10 off coupon for signing up and off your first purchase. So again, feel free to use my affiliate link if you would like, or my referral link rather. If you would like, if you don't, no big deal. It just gives you some savings, and it also gives me, I think, some points or whatever, because yeah, that'd be great for be able to do giveaways and things like that. I'm on this channel, so you support me in that way through my referral link, then I can in turn turn around and invest more into the channel. But again, it's no big deal. You can go straight to erincondren.com, or you can click my referral link. But again, as I digress, this is a great time to get a planner if you've been looking to try one out. If you're not interested in the monthly version, I do definitely recommend a vertical weekly version. That's the version that I actually got last year, although I didn't really use it very much because I just pretty much got it for sizing purposes. But I really do plan on using this planner very, very much functionally. Okay, so moving on to the next page, you have basically these 6 boxes that you can use to, I guess, plan out your year, or however you want to, use these boxes for, big goal planning, long-term goal planning. I'm just going to make sure I'm super straight in frame. And they're just kind of like multicolor. Erin Condren, her brand colors are very bright, very much primary colors with some kind of deeper bold colors in there. But I do like her color scheme and kind of like her brand colors. And then you have a line page on the back, so maybe you can, you can even do like a yearly overview of your budget here if you want, or just any maybe big notes you want to, record down for the year. And then she has January, and I'm not going to go through every single month, but I'll just kind of flip through really quick. But she, for January, she has a little quote here that says, "What you seek is seeking you." And basically her layout is just the month on 2 pages. She has the national holidays in here, and so there's like New Year's Day, MLK Day for back in July. Then over here she has a little notes sidebar, and then the next month. And then you have 4 pages of line notes. So you have 1 page on the back of the right hand side. Then you have a double-sided line notes page. And then you have another page right here. Now, to me, this page kind of goes with this month. So basically for me, I'm going to kind of figure out if I want to use the back page for the next month, or if I just want to continue it for the previous month. So as far as for budgeting purposes, you could always do like your general layout or overview for a budget. It just kind of depends. I may leave that page blank for something else, or maybe it'll be like a goals page or whatever. So I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and flip to March because that's the month we're in. So for March, she has everything you can imagine. It's real. And then this is where I have started to lay down my monthly kit. So what I'll do is I'll flip to the back really quick and grab, this is a cute little pocket that she has in the back of the planner. And it is actually like a little double-sided pocket. This little side, it says shine your brightest. And this is like, I don't know what material this is, but it's like a kind of plasticky, smooth material. And this is just kind of like a really smooth, like thick paper. So I have started to lay down my March kit, and the thing of it is that because I'm kind of back, I'm not sure I'm in frame here, because I'm kind of back planning or back budgeting rather, and because I was just so in love with the artwork that I used for the March kit, I really want to just lay it down. So I just have March 2019, and I mentioned it in my previous video, and I don't know why, because I knew when I was saying it that I didn't know what I was talking about. Well, I knew what I was talking about, but I knew it was inaccurate. I couldn't remember if I had resized the header washi to not cover the days of the week, and I did resize it for that. But I did, someone did request for me to add the days of the week. So I don't know. I may do that, or I may just leave it to where you can see the days of the week. I'm gonna see how it looks. Because basically when I am, with the artwork, I don't want the text to blend in too much with it, and I don't want it to be too busy going on. So I'm going to kind of revisit that and see, but the washi does not cover the days of the week, just to let you know, in the kits as of right now. Again, she has the national holidays on here. She has daylight savings time. She even has like when spring starts on there. And so, yeah, I'm going to jump into the notes pages. So this is kind of how I'm laying out. This is how I'm using the notes pages to do my budget. So I'm laying out the budget using my monthly budget kit. And then I'm also going to be using the add-on to it. So I'll just run through really quick. I've already taken some of the stickers off for March. So I'll just set those aside, and I'll show you May. I would show you April. But the thing about April is that while the April budget is pretty accurate, and it's really, really pretty. April is actually my birth month. So I wanted to use something that was very like me. And I just love this artwork. But this is the April budget kit. And then the add-on, basically this font, I had done a test print, but this font is going to be the same as this font. So just disregard. But the kit is the same layout. But I want to show you May because everything is consistent on May. And the May kit is absolutely beautiful. So I'll set April aside. And all the kits are in my shop now. But basically, March is already laid down, and I just love it. So I'll go over kind of how I have it laid down, and then I'll go over the kit in a second. And I'm just going to make sure I'm good on time, and I am. So basically you just have a piece of header washi, and these are all the size of the lines on the page. But I have income source, and I have total. And then I have basically just done like, enough lines for however many income sources. For me as a shop owner, I pretty much can pay myself weekly, or Etsy pays me weekly. So, I have enough lines there, like 4 or 5 lines or whatever. Then I have bills right here. So I've counted out, basically I know how many bills I have. I have plenty of space for that. And the great thing about these about kind of laying down your budget this way is that you can get totally creative. You can lay down the sticker strips in any order you would like. It's going to flow with how you want to do your budget. Next, I have my expenses over here. Then I have my debt. So to me, it really flows from having my income, breaking down my bills, to breaking down my expenses, which are mostly going to be like gas, food, and then like shop expenses, and then my debt. And I have my little total stickers for each one. The only reason why I didn't put a total sticker down here is because I want to wait until I fill in my bills and then put the total sticker kind of where it'll look good with the spread. Then over here I have my transactions log. There's actually a strip, and this kit was like a test kit that I had done for March, but on the transactions log, and I'll show you on the May kit, it actually has where you'll have the item, the discount, and the item description, amount, and then the date. So this whole strip right here, this whole transaction strip would actually have the item discount. I don't know why I keep saying discount. The item description and amount on there. So that's a change that I made because this kit was sized kind of funky. So I had to go back in and resize everything for March, and I had done everything for April and May, and then I went back and had to resize March because when I got this planner in, I realized that the dimensions that I had previously had weren't quite accurate. So anyway, everything is good to go now. And then over here I have budget review. So let me run through the kit with y'all really quick to give you a good idea of exactly how, like, what comes with what and everything. So for the kit, you're gonna have again your header washi for your notes page for your for the budget, so May budget, and then you have income, bills, expenses, debt, sinking funds. I have a credit score sticker here for you, a couple little icons, some 3 asterisk, 4 paydays. You have your total of 6 total stickers, 4 paycheck stickers, sticker strips. So if you're going to do your budget week to week or paycheck to paycheck, you have 4 paycheck strips for that. You have a total of 8 bill due stickers on this page, which are sized for the monthly boxes. Then you have monthly goals, next month's goals, cash envelopes, upcoming script text, and a piece of washi. And as you see, I use this piece of washi here just to separate from my income to the bills and the rest of the spread. Alrighty, and so that is the main budget kit. So next we'll move on to the add-on. So this is the add-on kit, and basically this is the page that you can use for the actual monthly. So for the actual month on 2 pages right here. So this is where you actually use this. And you have a total of 12 bill due stickers. So you have plenty of bill due stickers throughout the entirety of the spread. You have some script text down here: savings, investments, paid off, transactions, 4 no spend stickers, a little credit card icon, a little money back icon, and these thinner strips of washi that you can use throughout doing your budget as well. I have script text here with all the baby steps, debt snowball, weekly check-in, 4 weekly check-ins, and then again you have that transactions log, and then your budget review. So that is the main kit, which is 2 pages. And then you have the add-on that is 2 pages as well. So the main kit is $7 to $7.50, depending upon if you pick glossy or premium matte. And then the add-on is just $5 or $5.50. So that is how I'm going to be using this planner. That is how it looks, with the exception of the bill due stickers I haven't put down yet. And then I'll be filming the April walkthrough of the April, me putting down April. So I'll come back and do that at another time, of course, but that is how I plan on using this planner. So basically for the rest of the planner, everything is kind of the same as the monthly layout. I've already showed y'all kind of the back. There's a notes page, a notes section. Before we get there, they have a section in here where you can actually kind of look at the next year. So you have from January 2020 to December 2020, and you can do like in the coming year in the bottom, and she has 4 little like kind of like lightly dotted bullet, kind of like little circle bulleted lists here. So you can put like big events, goals, important dates, whatever. And then on the back of that, going into the notes, she has arriving at one goal is the start of another. And then I got the one with 40 pages of notes pages. I think you can do 80 or even 120. There's that little pocket I was talking about. So I'll be using this little pocket to just stick my kits in for safekeeping. And that's an awesome little pocket, actually. I really like that she included that little pocket. And then on the back, you can just put some maybe little stickers in there. And then the back cover is another just blank it's the back cover laminate fingerprints on it. But it's the back cover. It's laminated. So you can use a wet erase or dry erase marker on that. And that's just a blank area. So for additional notes or whatever, you can do that. So that is how I will be using. That's kind of my overview of the Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly Planner. And that's how I'll be using it. I'm super, super excited. So I'll be back to film the April budget. And I'm super excited to get that laid down and try it out in the planner. Like I said, this is a brand new planner to me, completely new. So I really like it so far. And I think it's going to be a good time. And I think it's going to be really effective for me. And again, you can grab one of these yourself at erincondren.com. You can feel free again to use my referral link in the description bar or not. Doesn't matter to me. But yeah, so I hope you guys will come back and stay tuned for the April budget and many more in the future. And thank you all so much for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and share. You can find me on social at Bliss and Faith. Please please visit my shop if you're looking for planner stickers, planner goodies, planner accessories. It is blissandfaith.com. And again, if you want to save 40% shop wide, sign up for my VIP list, get you a 40% off coupon. And I email about maybe once a week to once every other week. So either weekly or bi-weekly. Not too often. I won't spam your inbox. But yeah, guys, until next time, thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you later. Have an absolutely great one. Bye-bye.